So hello everyone, I just got Mauno PD200X microphone and let's unbox it and then we will see how it sounds. Guys, I have already unboxed it but we will do again for you guys and let's see what are the things inside the box. Yeah, as you can see the box is not so nice. I don't know what is Amazon is doing, but still let's unbox it. I hope you are able to see. I think you can see now. So these are some booklets, and I think this is the warranty card. Okay, this is the warranty card Mauno give us, and this is the user manual and all those things. And one thing, yeah, we can use Mauno Link app for this microphone. So here comes the first, our microphone. Yeah, this is the microphone. You can see it looks good, metallic finish. Okay, and yeah, the stock holder is actually plastic, and you can see this. And this is a dynamic microphone, so we will test it soon. Now this is the cable holder. We can hold it. This is the type C to type C, and the USB port also is there, as you can see here. Now comes the next part of the microphone. Let's unbox it. So this comes with a boom arm, and this looks pretty good actually. Yeah, this is quite handy. And this comes with a matte finish. Yeah, this is complete matte finish. I think this is also available in white color as well. And yes, the mics also comes in white then. So let's test it then. So guys, this is I just set it up for the video. I have to set it on my desk. So after connecting the software, I will check is there any proper noise cancellation is available or not, like AI voice or not. So do check the description. I will let you know. And right now a fan is on. So are you able to hear any fan sound or not? I'm also listening with my earbuds. You can connect a 3.5 earbuds with it, so you can directly monitor your voice. And I think this is really helpful for any content creator and also for the gamers as well. They can easily control their gain with this knob. I think you are able to understand it. So by clicking this one button, you can able to switch to microphone volume, and again if you click it, then it will switch to the mic volume. That is recording with my phone. As my phone has a 3.5 jack output, so it was not registering this microphone at first glance, so I had to on the OTG. So if you have an older phone like me, then you have to turn on the OTG. That's how it will work. But if you do not know that, and you can think same like me that it's not working, you have to return it. But wait, just turn on your OTG there, and I think it will work on your phone. If it's not working, you will see the RGB lights, and then you can understand yes, it's working or not. And also the mic has a mute button here, so the mic has different RGB lights. Let me on. Yeah, this and this is the breathing effect with all those colors that it has. So it really looks pretty cool for the gamers as well. As you can see the setup, so the keyboard is also RGB, so it will fit really well with that. And let's turn it off. Yes, it will turn off after this breathing effect. Let me set it up on my setup, then I hope after using 1 or 2 weeks I can give a really good review on this microphone. So if you need the ultimate review after 1 2 or maybe 1 month of using, then do let me know in the comment section. So yeah guys, in this channel I also uploaded a Clio Search controller unboxing video. This is really a good controller. So if you need a specific video on this controller, yes, I am using this for now 1 month or more. So if you need any review on this as well, so do let me know in the comment section. And another thing guys, I just forgot about it, that I just got this from Amazon in very cheap price because the sale was going on, and I got a discount around 900 rupees with the credit card. So for the detailed price listing, do check the description, and also I will give it in the pinned comment as well. And do not forget to subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next one.